Begin by selecting the adjustment brush from the toolbar. In the control bar, you will see a drop-down menu where you can find all the familiar adjustment layers. Next, choose the size and hardness of the brush. This will vary as you use different photos. Brush along the area you wish to change. Here, I'm applying a brightness to the grass. You can see this adds an adjustment layer, and I can edit that using the icon to the left of the layer mask. To add an additional adjustment layer, make sure you have reselected the background layer, then choose the next adjustment from the control bar or the contextual taskbar. In addition to changing the brush in the control bar, you can also use the right and left brackets. Next, I'm applying a vibrance adjustment and using both the Properties panel and the layer opacity to adjust the effect. If you apply an adjustment layer that you don't like, simply drag it to the trash can icon from the Layers panel.